Today, we're gonna be trying cooking this pizza at 400 degrees on our Weber Smoque. Can that be the perfect setting? We'll find out. Welcome back, guys. So here we have a Papa Murphy's pizza. Now, we've been doing pizza every year. Love it on the smoke. If you guys have never had it on your smoker, you need to try it. It will change the game on how you do your pizzas. Now, this is a take and bake pizza. The highest temperature that I've had in my smoker when cooking one of these, I think, was about 350, maybe 375. I'm not sure, but I know 350 for sure. Now we're gonna crank this bad boy to 400 degrees. Now, if we do it at 400 degrees, will we still get a little bit of that smoke flavor? Now, I know sometimes when you go over the 300 degrees, you lose less smoke, but it doesn't mean that you completely lose it, because technically you still get some smoke flavor. Now, we're gonna try this at 400 degrees. I have my Weber Smoque outside ready to roll at 400 degrees. Now I'm gonna put this bad boy in there, and I'm expecting that it's gonna be well cooked, nice and even cooked, crunchy in the bottom, cheese melted. The thing is that the perfect setting for one of these take and bakes? We're about to find out. Let's go ahead and fire up our Weber Smoque. All right, so here you have it. Our Weber is at 400. We're gonna put it right here in the middle. And then once the crust is once we're able to take this cardboard off, we're gonna come back and take it off. So we'll be back. All right, it's been 10 minutes, and this looks like it's almost there. So now we're gonna take this cardboard out so we can get some flavor on the bottom. Just gonna go around, and then we're gonna slide it into there like that. Now, come back every 5 minutes. All right, it's been there for 15 minutes, and this bad boy is ready to come out. We'll be back. All right, so here you have it. Before we get into this, have a quick recap of what we did. All right, guys, here you have it. Pizza looks great. It's nice, and the dough on the bottom looks perfectly cooked. All right, so here you have it. Let's look in the bottom. Cheese is very melted. 400 degrees, 15 minutes. It was fast. Now let's see if the taste is still as good. Let's go. Pretty good. Now, there's not a lot of smoke flavor, very minimal, very little. But that's what happens when you cook at higher temps. The lower temps you go, more of a smoke flavor you get. Normally, we'll cook under 300. That's when you get more of the smoke flavor. The higher you go over 300, it just goes down. 400, it was gonna be a lot of smoke, very little. It's not bad, it's really good. So if you guys just want that little bit, a hint of that smokiness, just a little bit, 400 degrees is the way to go. It's cooked to perfection. I mean, what more can you want? It took 15 minutes and you did it outside in your smoker. So make sure you guys hit the like, hit the subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.